I had long dreamed of this adventure, fueling my passion for motorcycles and my admiration for the wonders of nature. I chose Malwee Peak as my destination, a place that promised magic and a spectacle of natural beauty. My motorcycle, a faithful road companion, vibrated with enthusiasm for this journey. Equipped with everything we needed, we set out towards the mountain. The winding road led us to ever higher altitudes, revealing increasingly breathtaking views. The fresh wind caressed my face, and the clouds painted ever-changing pictures in the sky. Taking in the view from the heights, I was filled with a sense of wonder. It was magnificent to observe the world below, within my domain. Upon arrival, I quickly set up my tent, choosing a privileged spot with a breathtaking view. The tent would become my refuge, a place of serenity in that tranquil landscape. I'm on top of the highest mountain in the region, surrounded by an exuberant landscape. The sun shines in the blue sky, illuminating the treetops and the wildflowers. I feel a fresh breeze on my face, bringing the aroma of nature. Looking the horizon and see the white and fluffy clouds moving slowly, forming different shapes and patterns. I'm feeling peace and harmony with the world, admiring the beauty and greatness of creation. I thank for being alive and for having the opportunity to witness this spectacle. I smile and breathe deeply, feeling renewed and inspired. The day bid farewell as the sun began to dip below the horizon. The palette of colors unfolding before my eyes was a masterpiece of nature. Sitting before the spectacle, I watched the clouds in constant motion as the daylight faded. As night fell, I lit the campfire. The flames danced with joy, illuminating the scene under a starry sky. I decided to cook my meal over the campfire. A moonless night highlighted the splendor of the night sky, filled with shimmering stars. Surrounded by solitude, I found myself in the exact place I was seeking. The crackling of the embers and the smoky aroma filled the air, making the simple meal even more flavorful. In that moment, sitting beneath the starry sky, I found a deep sense of peace and felt in perfect harmony with the world around me. The experience of camping on Malwee Peak exceeded all expectations. That night, I became a part of nature, a silent observer of the universe, in a place where the beauty of the earth intertwined with the tranquility of the soul. The symphony of nature enveloped me, with crickets and frogs singing in harmony, while the wind in the trees whispered ancient stories. It was as if nature itself was sharing its secrets with me. The secret of peace is maintain the connection with nature. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and give me thumbs up.